Here's how you replace the cabin air filter in the Porsche Cayenne. A firm tug on the plastic duct pops it off. Remove the two bolts holding the plastic filter retainer piece in place. If you don't have a 7mm socket or a 6mm, use an adjustable wrench. Bosch cabin air filter. Out with the old and in with the new. Then reinstall the plastic cover using the two bolts/screws. Reinstall the plastic air duct. This goes onto the hose on the left. This just grabs onto the wire on the right. Hose on the left, clipped onto the wire on the right. And then there are two plastic clips in the back that we just push back on, and this snaps in place. If you had the original T20 Torx, this is where it would go. Congratulations. Job well completed.